it's Lisa with Hobbie Time. So today we're gonna have a little creative time. So let's get creative, okay? Let's get into it. Alright, y'all. So I went with Snoopy today. Everyone loves Snoopy. He's one of my favorites. I've always loved him. I went with a red background, and I think today's theme with my Snoopies, because I have so many, I kind of went with sports. I went with all the sports Snoopies I could get. I have taped down just my top two corners so I can't move it so much, and y'all can see all of my edges. My nephew, Ryder, is really big into baseball right now. He's doing really well. So I think of him when I see my baseball Snoopies. This one is, you gotta have your friends supporting you throughout your wins and your losses, right? You're always gonna have that. I have so many. Hopefully we can get them all on here. So this is like you got your cheering group. Sometimes it rains and you just gotta sit through it. Hockey. I love the Dallas Stars. They're doing really good. Skateboarding. It's a sport. But they have like a lot of Snoopies that skateboard on here. Skateboarding, and a lot of surfing Snoops. So we might have to pick our favorites. I got this one on here. Canoeing. It's there's competitive canoeing, but it's also camping, so I guess we can put them on here. So let's get putting these on here and just see. This is just more supportive friends. Got some soccer. It seems like majority of these are going to be like surfboard and skateboarding. I'll put Peppermint Patty down here in the corner. She's cheering him on. She's like, yeah, you go. I like these. These I also got off Amazon. I just looked up Snoopy Stickers. They're really good quality. Nice and thick, easy to peel off. He kind of looks like he should be like leaning in the corner, right? Like, I'm chill. But he's also... almost looks like he should be catching him. Like, I got you, but he's like, dude, I'm not going to be catching anything. You need to get out of my way. Weightlifting. Should I have him going down? Or should we going up? I like him going up. I don't have any filler Snoopies, so I didn't find any smaller guys to put in here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do if I need to put. I might just stick these guys pretty much all over and be calling it a day. I don't know. Guess I should have looked for some more of that. I just love Snoopy. Woodstock. They're my favorites. Let me know if he's your favorite or what's your favorite Peanuts gang member. Like, I have a whole bunch of these guys. I'm going to do like a Valentine's one. I have enough to do a Christmas one. I have enough to do so many. I didn't put a surfboard guy in here yet. That's two Joe Cools too close together. Dilemmas. I don't know if she's cheering him on for sitting there. Or no, I didn't realize. I don't think I'll use them. Well, poop. Not happy about that. These are too big. Let's say Camp Snoopy in there, I suppose. Going down, going up. Not happy about that one. So cool. I just love Snoop. I have like birds and stuff that I'll be doing as well. See, I wish I had more like little fillers instead of being able to stick these big guys here. I'm going to call it for my Snoopy page. I'm going to do some other ones. Maybe not my best one that came out, but it's still fun. I enjoyed it. I like the red background. Red's very sportsy, very competitive color. Let me know what you think. There'll be other links here, and we'll go from there. And we can add these on. Maybe I'll do like a summertime page, and that's where these will come in. I could do like a vacation or a summertime page. All right, thanks for hanging out, guys. Let's see what else we can get into next.